Welcome to Colorful Analysis, your go to destination for insight into the dynamic world of the data science and business intelligence. I'm super excited you are here. Today, we are diving into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence career in a short yet informative video. Ever wondered what AI careers you can pursue and the skills you need to be succeed? You are in the right place. Join us as we explore the vast landscape of AI roles and discuss the key abilities required to thrive in this rapidly evolving field. Let's dive in.
Machine learning engineer to solve a specific problem or optimize process by proficiency in machine learning algorithms, program skill like a Python, R, understand of data structures and algorithms, knowledge of the deep learning frameworks like the TensorFlow or Python, experience with the model evaluation and deployment. Data scientists extract insight and pattern from large data set. How? By a statistical analysis, machine learning technique, deep learning technique, and programming skill. Not enough. Visualization tools like the library of the Python Matplotlib and proficiency in data modeling, predictive analysis, ability to communicate complex finding effectively. AI research scientists, new algorithms, new models, new technique. Yes, advanced knowledge of AI theories and principles, proficiency in programming languages like Python's, experience with the research methodologies and experimentation, a strong problem solving skills, ability to publish research findings in academic journal or conference. As AI software developer, you should proficiency in a software development language and frameworks, understand of AI concept and methodologies, experience with the AI libraries and tools, knowledge of software engineering principles and best practices, ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams. Robotic engineer main ability is expertise in robotic engineer principles, proficiency in programming languages like the Python, experience with robotic hardware and sensors, understanding of control system and algorithms, ability to design and implement robotic system. Big data engineering professionals and architects develop ecosystem that enable various business verticals and technology to communicate effectively. Compared to the data scientists, these roles can feel more involved as the engineers and architects typically are tasked with planning, designing, and developing big data environment on Hadoop and Spark system. An AI product manager is a visionary leader at the intersection of technology and business, responsible for guiding the development and implementation of AI powered products and services. With a keen understanding of both AI technologies and market trends, they craft a strategic roadmap that align with the organizational goal and customer needs. To be an AI product manager, you should have the ability to prioritize features, communicate effectively, and drive product in innovation way. AI educator trainer, expertise in AI concept and methodologies, ability to design and deliver training program or courses, a strong presentation and facilitation skill, experience in curriculum development, commitment to lifelong learning, and the professional development. The next two careers are closely related to artificial intelligence and considered as a part of broader AI career landscape. Data analysts collect, process and analyze data to extract insight and inform decision making. While data analysis may not always involve AI technique directly, many data analysts use AI and machine learning algorithms to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships in large data sets. The last one, business intelligence. Developer, analysts, they have to understand of business process and objective, proficiency in BI tools and platform like a Tableau, Power BI. They have the knowledge of the data warehousing, SQL, and ETL process, ability to translate business requirement to actionable insight. The last one, business intelligence. Developer, analysts, they have to understand of business process and objective, proficiency in BI tools and platform like a Tableau, Power BI. They have the knowledge of the data warehousing, SQL, and ETL process, ability to translate business requirement to actionable insight. I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope you find the information valuable. If you enjoy the content, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more updates. Have a wonderful time. Bye for now. I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope you find the information valuable. If you enjoy